Song's called Dialtone. I guess I wrote it in the fucking 90s. I've been working where you're living now. How's that sweet husky? Has he calmed down? Is your bed as cold and lonely as mine is? You were always looking for the one. Did you find it? You said, wouldn't you like to know? Wouldn't you like to know? Well, you waved that right when you broke my heart. Will you forgive me? Have you forgiven yourself? Will you ever find it in your heart to put the past on the shelf? The way it ended doesn't erase things. We had good days with the bad ones. You were always looking for that major change. Have you had one? You said, wouldn't you like to know? Wouldn't you like to know? Well, you waved that right when you broke my heart. I've got so many questions, but you're still refusing to answer them, and I'm just running around in circles. And in a last-ditch attempt at the truth, I asked if you still love me too, and you just responded with a dial tone in the 90s. Oh. But Lord, would I love to know? Oh my God, would I love to know? But I lost your trust when I broke your heart. Thank you.